Yes, YouTube. Good morning and welcome back again. You know, it have been it has been a long time that I've posted some videos. It was a roller coaster. We're still breathing and I'm grateful to be here again. So guys, with that said, in case of the Bitcoin price, you can see literally that we are in a discount market on the higher time frames. Usually what you saw is that in 2022, 2023, we swept 5 times sell-side liquidity to take out as much liquidity as possible to eventually expand to the upside, right? So I want to give you guys a quick update on BTC. A lot of you guys noticed that I was still active on X. It was easy. I could just keep you guys updated on my phone, and I could just proceed my passion, right? So guys, again, with that said, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and what I did is I posted this setup also on my X profile, right? We're now in the weekend, we're on Sunday, so we're consolidating. We can expect a weekly closeout today during New York time. So what you literally can see is that I'm waiting for an entry on 62.7k to eventually catch the 786 on Fibonacci retracement. What you can see is that BTC start dropping here. I posted this short setup. I closed it here, but you can see that we went down way more. I was expecting some bounces on this order blocks here, but what you can see is that we literally bounced on this last order block, right? To create max fear, to eventually see a bounce again now, right? So what I'm expecting here is to see BTC forming a sort of shark fin to eventually catch the 786. There's a possibility that we take out this low here to eventually rip up back again, right? To go for one more buy side liquidity run to eventually see more downside on the longer term, right? So again, guys, if you didn't follow me on X or you don't follow me on X, go follow me on X. I keep you guys updated on a very high frequency. I keep you guys updated on a daily basis, and we need to just scalp this kind of price action on the lower time frames, right? Doesn't mean that we have to force trades, but it's good to stick to the chart now, especially at this moment, because I am expecting some crazy price action very soon. You can see if we go to the 4-hour time frame, let's go to another BTC chart here. It's more clean. If you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that there is some liquidity underneath this wicks here. To take out sell side liquidity, there are some order blocks here also. There's one here. And there's a small tiny order block here, but there's also an order block here. So what we saw here, actually on the 1-hour time frame, is a sort of same situation we can expect also here on the 4-hour time frame. Usually what I do is I draw Fibonacci retracement to see which order block fits the best. And you can see that this 786 fits very nicely with this order block here. So there's a possibility that we on the short term take out buy side liquidity, fill up this fair value gap, take out buy side liquidity. There's also buy side liquidity again. There's also buy side liquidity above this wicks here. So, you know, don't be surprised that they will take it out to eventually drop down to the 786. There's also small tiny fair value gap. You know, it figures as a magnet, so you know, a lot of possibilities for the coming period, right? I'm grateful to post videos again. Follow me on X. I keep you guys updated, and you can expect more videos from me in the coming period. So again, guys, I thank you all for watching. A quick update, and you know, the message for today is keep breathing, don't give up, subscribe to my channel, stay updated, follow me on X. And with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.